HT2458 hydraulic thumb, purchased from USA Attachments, excavatorthumb.com. This is the 4-tooth thumb, 1-inch steel AR400. Thumb weighs about 1,000 pounds. Installed here on a 2007 CX210b, which is a 48,000 pound machine. This class thumb is for the 40 to 50,000 pound machines. Got it about a month ago. Been in continuous use since then. Took about 4 hours to do the install on the machine, and we've been very, very pleased with it since we got it. Price was $3,250. We were able to buy it right off their eBay page. Had it shipped to us. Shipping was very reasonable. It was $100 to have it shipped, and the thumb does weigh 1,000 pounds. We got it in approximately 4 days and installed it immediately. Once again, this is the HT2458 Universal Hydraulic Thumb on a Case CX210b.